The first rain of the season is forecast for tonight, and for me that's very exciting. I think for most people it's kind of an inconvenience, because most people have done whatever they can to insulate themselves from what they consider to be the dangers and the harshness of the outdoors. This is too bad, because I firmly believe that the human psyche is very much tuned into the rhythms of nature in ways that most of us don't understand. When your life largely consists of getting up in the morning, fixing that first cup of coffee, probably either turning on the television or checking your cell phone or going to the computer to find out what's, quote, new in the world that day, the news. When you live a life like that, one day is pretty much indistinguishable from another. But nature gives us all kinds of entertainment and bounty that most of us don't really pay attention to, or we can't, because we have these demands of our 9-to-5 life, or 9-to-9 life, or whatever it is, especially here in the Bay Area, where the startup world kind of just consumes lives of young people. So I'm really looking forward to the rains tonight. I'm looking forward to walking the same path tomorrow and feeling the earth start to come alive. It's been a long, dry stretch here in the Bay Area. You really don't get any rain at all from, late March, maybe early April, until this time of year, which is, we're now October 1st. And the earth starts to parch up, and I think our lives start to parch up. But with that first rain, all these forms of vegetation and the ground below us start to, I don't know, they absorb the rain, but they're also starting to make way for the life and the greenery that comes with the rain. So this is kind of a short note, just to share with you my sense of excitement, my sense of anticipation for this first rainfall of the coming year.